Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We all know that life can get a little stinky, whether you have a family and pets like I do, or you're just living a blissful single life. Having a fabric and room deodorizer can be a lifesaver, and I love this fabric refresher from Pharma-C. This particular package comes with 6 12-ounce bottles. All of the bottles are made durable and easy to use. You simply turn the nozzle to spray, pull the trigger, and you get a fine mist that will cover your toughest odors thoroughly. I use mine on my curtains, my rugs, stuffed animals in my kids' room, the dog bed, and even coats and hoodies that need a little refreshing. I've even tried to spray the culprit of the smell, and she didn't like that very much. This spray is perfect when you have spontaneous company coming over. Just a few sprays on a messy couch and bam, everything looks brand new. I'm just kidding, but if there is ever a spray that cleans up blankets and pillows, somebody please let me know. In all seriousness though, I love the floral clean scent of this fabric refresher, and I love the fact that you can still smell it for days afterward. So if you're ready to trick your guests into thinking you've been cleaning all day, then you need to check out this fabric refresher from Pharma-C. And that's my point of view.